Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining in. Today we are going to be unboxing some Ipsy products for the month of October. This was the first month that I actually received a PR box, so I'm super excited about that. But before we get started, please run down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also that notification bell to be notified of my upcoming content. And then we will get started. Okay, so I'm looking a little bit of a hot mess today. Don't mind that. I have no makeup on, have not done my hair today or any of that, but that's okay. We cannot always have makeup and our hair done. I'm sorry, we just can't. I actually did not plan on filming, but it is what it is. I decided to just get it done and out the way, and here we are. I did make the Ipsy PR list, which I'm so super excited about. I cannot tell you how happy I am about this. It's like a huge goal, and always has been a huge goal of mine to make this list. I mean, I think it would be for anybody. I mean, that's like a big, huge deal to me. So I want to thank everybody on the Ipsy team and the Ipsy Open Studios team, and also Rachel, who is pretty much over, I believe, the Ipsy Studios team. She is the one who contacted me and all of that good stuff. So thank you, Rachel, and thank you, Ipsy, for allowing me to get your amazing boxes every month. So anyways, with that being said, we will kind of dig right into the Ipsy box. I did already open the box, as you can see, because I did go ahead and do pictures on my Instagram of the actual Glam bag. Just the Glam bag itself, not the Glam bag plus. So I do receive the Ipsy Glam bag, which I believe is like $12 a month. And then I also received the Ipsy Glam bag plus, which is around $25 a month. But remember, my opinion is my own. If I don't like a product, I will definitely say it. So, okay, let's get started with this month's box. This is the October box, and the theme for this month was Your Magic. So I will start off with the bag. This is the Ipsy Glam bag for October. Look how super cute, and on the back here it says Your Magic, which I super love. I always love their bags. They're so cute, but it's made really well. Like, it just feels like it's made really well. And then it's got the little zipper here with the little moon and star there, which is super cute. Okay, so this is not a variation that you will for sure get in your Glam bag, but it's a variation that you could possibly get, or a mix of the products. So I'm going to start out with this one here. This is the Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum, the A+ Retinoid Serum. I love Sunday Riley, so I'm super excited to try this. I've never tried this one. Advanced Strength Retinoid Serum delivers a 6.5 power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. Right there, just this one product alone, you get over your money's worth. Okay, the second product we have here is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. And again, I love Briogeo. I love their products. All the products I've tried, I've not tried this one, but I'm excited to try it. This is Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So this is like a conditioner spray. This would be super good to use on my daughter's hair. She definitely needs it right now. Her hair is always a rat's nest after she gets up out of bed. So I'm excited to use that. We'll see how that goes in her hair. The next product is Bobbi Brown Mascara, and this is the Smokey Eye Mascara. And I have already opened this. I'll show you guys the wand and what it looks like. This is just the deluxe size. But the wand, I absolutely love the wand and how it looks made. It's got that fluffy, like, type bristles to it, which I really like. That's what I like using. We might go ahead and try this one, actually. Seems like it goes on really well, and it's not clumpy. which I like. Of course, that was just one layer, but it seems really well. Now I'm gonna have one eye. Let me go ahead and throw some on this other eye so I'm not looking all crazy. Okay, so now that I'm not looking like completely crazy, let's move on. The last and final product for the glam bag is the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. I have not tried this one. I've tried other Smashbox primers and I really have liked them in the past. So I'm really hoping that this one is just as good as the ones from the past that I've used. So there's that and what that looks like. The texture of it, really soft on the skin. It feels really good on the skin. So hopefully that is as good as what it seems like it will be. Okay, so that is it for the actual glam bag. Next up is the actual Ipsy box. This is the plus box, which is, again, I believe the $25 one. So let's dig into this. First up, we have this Ipsy mask, which is super cute. I love my mask for at nighttime sleeping. And this one is like a silk mask. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, very, very, very soft. Super soft. I love that. Like, oh, that's gonna be so nice on the skin. Wow. So super nice, super cute. It's got the little band on the back. So that was the first item. The second thing I got in my box is this Filorga Laboratories Youth Performance Oxygen Glow for the eyes. If you have not tried Filorga products, I absolutely recommend them. Every product I've tried of theirs has been super amazing. I've not tried this one once again, but I already know this one is going to be great because all of their products I've tried have literally been great. So I'm not going to open that. I'm just going to leave it as is right now, and I'll open it later. So the next thing that I got is something else that is super, super cute that you just totally wouldn't expect in a box. Is an Ipsy candle. It says, Ipsy, your magic. How cute is this, you guys? It's like heavy, which I'm so surprised was in the box. And it's black. And it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells like magic. It smells really great. So I will be putting this on my vanity here, which you guys will see soon, to display. The next thing that I got in this box is the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I do have this already, so I will probably gift this in a giveaway upcoming here soon sometime. But it is a good powder. I do like it. I like the coconut one the best so far. But here's what it looks like for you that do not know what that looks like. It's a very loose, very finely milled powder. It's very finely milled. So there's that. The next thing that I got in my box is this Illuminati quad palette, which is super cute, very beautiful. It has some beautiful, beautiful colors in it. I will swatch that for you guys. Gosh, that gold just looks absolutely amazing. Let me see. I'll have to do it on the back of my arm. I might do an eyeshadow look actually with this here soon. Oh, I love that. There is the shades. So, so pretty. Gorgeous winter fall shades. Oh my goodness. Very pretty. So that is the, again, Illuminati quad palette. Super cute. Really like that. I also got this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, which is also very nice. I love the Huda Obsessions palettes. I really want every single one of them. But here is what that looks like. Super gorgeous. Super, super pretty. Maybe I can swatch a couple. Oh my goodness, so highly pigmented. Look how pigmented that is. So pigmented. And actually, instead of doing a eyeshadow look with the other one, I may just use this one. Look how gorgeous. So freaking pretty. Love it. Next up, we have these, I think it's pronounced LaRousse. This is a brush set. And I actually looked these up because I was very curious on these brushes. And I could not believe it, but these, the value for these is over $200 for this brush set. Unbelievable. I seriously couldn't believe it. They do have like the cute spiky looking kind of handles to them. They are very, very, very super soft. Like super soft. And very dense. I like how dense they are. Very nice. I don't know. They seem like really great brushes though. This one right here actually came with the Ipsy bag. So there was 5 products for the Ipsy bag, and this was the 5th product that came in that. I had accidentally just put it in this whenever I put them all back together. So the LaRousse ones actually only come with 4 brushes. Yeah. It looks like it just comes with 4 brushes. So this is the 4 that it came with. Super pretty though. Still, like I said, I can't believe the value of these. I mean, just really unbelievable. Last but not least, the bag also comes with this cute little bag here. It matches the Ipsy bag, and it also matches the candle and the eye mask, which is super cute. I thought it was super cute. Very, very cute. Anyways, that is my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October, and also my Ipsy Glam bag plus for the month of October. If you guys are not subscribed, I highly, highly recommend it. Getting over there and getting subscribed to Ipsy monthly service. You can get the bag, like I said, I think it's around $12 a month. And then you can get the plus bag or the plus box for around $25 a month. So super great deal, always amazing stuff. I truly highly recommend it. That is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys come back for my upcoming content that I have planned for you all. And I really super appreciate all of you for hanging in there. All of my followers who have hung in there with me the past few months that I have not been around. Thank you guys so very much. I promise I will have so much more better stuff for you to come. I will see you guys later.